Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Charis here again. How you all doing? I miss you guys so much. I haven't been on YouTube in such a while, and I was just going through my comments from my previous videos, and you guys just gave me so much energy to come back. I saw comments like, "We miss you, we want you, Cherry, where are you?" I'm here and I'm back with another one, and this is going to be my first ever get to know me video. I thought, why not come back with a get to know me, because I figured out I never released that video in the past, and a lot of you still want to try to get to know me. And whilst I'm bringing you guys in on my life, I'm also going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial because I'm not teaching much. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. Okay. Okay.
Come on. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me.
So guys, today I am going to be reading questions that was asked to me previously by a couple of you. I picked a few questions because I can't answer all your questions. If you guys want to ask me more questions, don't worry, I could do a part 2. I don't mind. Just let me know in the comment section if there's any questions that you'd like to ask. Well, if you think you'd want to see a part 2. So I've written down the questions of today. And guys, I got my ponytail from Amazon. It's so pretty. It's the drawstring one, so you already know about it. If you don't know about it, let me know in the comment section so I can make a video about it. So guys, for my makeup look, first thing I'm going to do is clear up my skin. I'm going to be using this Garnier cleansing micellar water. It cleanses, soothes, and it cleanses, soothes, and removes makeup. Sometimes I like to do this before my makeup just to make sure like any extra that was there before is gone. I have so many questions, oh my days. Okay, so the first question here is, who is your best friend? I feel like that's such a very tricky question. At the moment I have so many best friends, like it's ridiculous, but the person I talk to the most in my life is Mickey. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know who that is by now. Like I said, he's my best friend because at this point he's the most person I talk to. My other best friends are Heavenly, Yanko, Ruby. I have so many besties, guys, it's insane. But I haven't really kept in touch with a lot of people, and that's just for like my own personal reasons, like things I've been going through recently. So I've been quite distant, just like I've been away from Instagram. Like I feel like I've been away from everyone in the world. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. So I use this Maybelline Primer. It's called the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I got it at a Maybelline thing, and guys, ever since I used it, I instantly fell in love. Show your funniest pic. I have so many funny pics, so I think I'm just going to insert one on the video. But it doesn't have to be of me, does it? Just as the funniest pic. But don't worry guys, for the sake of y'all, this picture is from after I'd made content and I was tired. My skin is looking moisturized. Now I'm gonna go with my foundation. I use this L'Oreal True Match and this MAC foundation. It's called the Moisture SPF foundation, so it doesn't have sun protect. It's the pump, guys, because you know everything's easier with a pump. What I do is I mix the both of them. I apply this foundation, which is the lighter one, on the lighter parts of my face, and then the dark ones I apply on like the sides. So you can see like the difference in colors. MAC L'Oreal. I blend it out with my foundation brush. So guys, if you can see what I did there with the MAC foundation, kind of like giving me a kind of contour. I don't know if you guys can see. Obviously, I've not blended it out completely before people scream. Guys, quick disclaimer. I am not a makeup artist, but I still look as good as you guys see me look on my IG. Now that my foundation is on, next question. It says, what is your hobby? So guys, I love watching movies, like going to the cinema, watching Netflix. I can do any of those. I love it. I love hanging out with my friends, going out. I love traveling, guys. I love holidays. Guys, just know I vlog a lot, so be ready for my holiday vlog. My holiday vlogs are coming soon. I'm just like scared to get a vaccine, because I know once I start going on holidays now, guys, I'm not gonna want to stop. I will not want to stop. So don't worry, guys. The holiday vlogs are coming. Trust me. There's so much I love doing, guys, but one thing I love doing the most is just watching movies. That is my major hobby. I also love swimming. I love sports activities. I love gaming. I've got an Xbox, so I'm a gamer. So yeah, I could defo take you on in Fortnite. Don't play with me. Next question. Are you single or taken? Guys, I'm going to answer this question after I put on my contour. I'm just opening up my brand new concealer. I apply the concealer under my eye, my nose, my lip, my chin, my forehead, and that looks so cute, like a bird. So guys, now that I have done the contour, I'm gonna answer that question of, are you single or not? You lot are getting in my business. So the answer is yes, I am single. I'm happily single. I am not feeling any type of way about it. I'm just gonna open up these beauty blenders because I would rather use the new ones and try them out and see if I actually like them. So what I do is I spray my fixing spray on it to make it moist. I also spray some on my face just to dampen it up a bit, and then I go into blending, blend out all that concealer, getting all that good stuff in there, just, you know, melting it into my skin. Who was your Valentine? Oh my gosh, my Valentine's was so long ago. So my Valentine's was this guy that I met through one of my friends, and like, he was so sweet. I basically told him I've never had a Valentine's in my life, and he was like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty, why have you never had a Valentine's? I'm like, even when I have relationships, they just never lasted until February, or like sometimes we break up and then probably get back together, but on Valentine's Day we wouldn't be together. So I never got a Valentine's in my life. And then he was like, oh, don't worry, I'll be your Valentine's. I thought this dude was joking. Like, you know me, like, well, with me, I don't take men seriously, because do you like disappointments? Or why will I be taking a man seriously when he's not even my man? Then he got me this really cute teddy bear. I think I have a snap of it. I might include a snap. So he got me this cute teddy. He also got me chocolates, and what else did he get me? Rose. He got me a rose and a necklace. The necklace was so ugly, and I think, oh my days, he might be watching this. What the hell? I can't say that, right? No. The necklace wasn't really my cup of tea, but everything else was, yeah, the necklace wasn't really my style, but everything else was cute. It was babe, and I appreciate it. I cherished it because he was sweet and he wasn't even my man, so why not? Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my god, that is so cute. If I don't actually end up posting this, please post me. It's like, I'm tired of making videos, I'm not posting it, uploading it. It's so annoying. I feel like I look like the prettiest girl in the world right now. But we're not done. Next question. Would you be my girlfriend for a day? That is such a bold question. That is so brazy. Who gave people the courage to ask questions like that? Would you be my girlfriend for a day? One day? Why do you want to be my boyfriend for one day? What is it you want that you think you can achieve in one day with me? I'm sorry, but the answer to that is no. Respectfully. How would you describe a perfect day? I'm going to answer that once I get into the next step of makeup, which is the contouring. I'm going to be using this concealer palette by Barry M. I've had it for a very long time, so I don't know if you would still find it in the store. So I'm just gonna contour my nose area and my cheeks. You already know the drill. Well, you might not know the drill. I'm sorry if I said you know the drill when you don't. But yeah, just follow me and you'll get to know the drill.
So guys, I just applied that in my inner corners and on my nose, as you can see, just to give it that shape. And once that's done, you just blend it in.
A blending brush.
I start by using a fluffy brush and then I go in with my beauty blender, as you can see, just to make that melt into my skin.
If y'all listen to the quick disclaimer I gave at the starting of this video, like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so if you're judging me right now, I beg you, rest. Respectfully, rest.
Now I'm contouring below my cheekbones.
And contour all over the forehead. To blend that out, I'll be using this brush. I hear people say do it in circular motions, but I ain't got the time. It still works for me. At least that's what I think. Let me know if you feel like this makeup ain't working for you. I imagine someone actually said that would be so rude.
Now at this point of makeup, it's just blending and blending. That's all there is.
So far, so good. Now I'm going to start with baking, and for baking I'm using this sleek face form. Next question, how would you describe a perfect day? I think the way I would describe a perfect day is if I had a plan for the day, because you guys know I'm a content creator. So us content creators, we can't just go about our days like normal people. We need to plan out everything, and sometimes unfortunately those plans don't work out. So if I was to say today's been perfect, that means everything I planned for the day, I was able to do it, and all the content I made came out absolutely beautiful, stunning, loved it. That's when I can say, oh yeah, I've had a perfect day. Till then, every other day is just a day.
Like, imagine traveling all the way to a location that's like an hour away and then still making content that you can't post.
And I'm just gonna leave this to bake. Now I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm using this She Glam brow pen thingy that my sister got from Shein.
First, I use a spoolie to brush up my brows, and then I go in with the eyebrow pen and just shape it with my natural eyebrow shape. And then use concealer, top and bottom. After that, I just blend it out and blend out all the baking powder, as you can see. This is my favourite part.
Have you ever kissed someone? Have I ever kissed someone? That is a primary school question. I mean, look at me, I'm 21. Do you want to ask that question again? Have I ever kissed someone? Honestly speaking, no guys, I've never experienced a first kiss in my life. Cap, guys! What kind of silly question is that to ask a grown-ass woman? How dare you ask me, have I ever kissed in my life? Of course I have. What are you talking about? My first ever boyfriend, I found it gross. I don't know if that's just me, but I found it really gross. But now I'm like, come here, sugar. Yeah, I'm joking. So what says I have a crush on you? That is sweet. I may not have a crush on you in return, but I'm pretty sure someone out there in the world has a crush on you too. Okay. Next question. It says take a pic of what you're doing now. Why we need to take a picture? Because right now I am filming a YouTube video. Screenshot that if you want. Rest of my face, put powder. I'm gonna use this Maybelline powder, and it's so lovely. I love it. Next question, it says a random fact about myself. So guys, a random fact about me is I love food. I bring you guys along with me, like when I'm going on my food collabs. I add that to my IG because that's just something I love. Next question, have you ever cheated or been cheated on? You're in my business. Are we really about to do this? So guys, I think I answered so many questions today, and I think this particular question I will not answer. No, I'm joking guys, you lot can know the tea. Right after I do my lashes. This is the final look. So guys, now that I'm looking like a bad bee, I can answer that question of have I ever been cheated on. Look at me. Look at me. Who in their right mind is gonna see a whole babe like me, a whole speck, and still have the audacity to cheat? That person must be psycho. And guess what? That is perfectly fine because psychos do exist, which is why we have an asylum. So yes, I have been cheated on by a psycho, but that is just for another day. If you guys want to hear the gist on how I got cheated on, how I found out, how I caught snaky nigga, how I caught him in the act, run to the comment section. Just let me know that you guys want to hear that story time. And of course, I will download the gist. This is what YouTube is for. You guys are my family, YouTube family. I'm bringing you along every step of the way. So make sure you let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see next on my channel. I will be more than happy to drop a story time exposing his ass because he deserves that shit. How can I help you? Leave my video. Safe to say I slayed because I feel like I'm looking pretty as hell. Have I ever cheated? Have I ever cheated, guys? You know what? You find out in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see next on my channel. Love you to bits. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh.